Stop scrolling! Looking for an affordable drone camera but don't want to waste your money? You're in the right place. I've found 5 of the best budget-friendly drones that offer impressive camera quality, great features, and excellent value for the price. Watch till the end to discover which low-cost drone is the perfect choice for you. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. Fly More Combo. The Potensic Atom SE GPS drone combines powerful features with a compact design, making it an excellent choice for beginners and drone enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a 4K EIS camera, the Atom SE captures sharp videos and detailed photos, while electronic image stabilization helps reduce unwanted shakes for smoother, more professional-looking footage. Whether you're filming landscapes, vacations, or family adventures, your videos stay clear and steady. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone is compact, portable, and easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. Its foldable design fits easily into a backpack, making it perfect for travel, hiking, camping, and outdoor photography. One of its biggest advantages is the Fly More combo, offering up to 93 minutes of total flight time with multiple batteries. That means more time capturing incredible aerial footage and less time waiting for batteries to recharge. Number 4. Contixo F33 Profesional L Drone 4K Camera. The Contixo F33 Professional Drone is built for pilots who want professional performance, advanced flight technology, and smooth cinematic footage in one powerful package. Equipped with a 4K camera recording at 30 frames per second, the F33 captures crisp videos and detailed photos with vibrant colors and impressive clarity. Its 2-axis mechanical gimbal, combined with electronic image stabilization, EIS, keeps your footage smooth and stable, even during fast movements or windy conditions. One of its standout features is the 5.5-inch touchscreen remote controller, allowing you to view your live flight feed clearly without relying on your smartphone. The large display makes navigation, camera control, and flight monitoring easier and more convenient. For added safety, the drone features obstacle avoidance technology, helping detect objects during flight and reducing the risk of collisions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, this intelligent feature provides greater confidence while flying. With an impressive 4-mile FPV transmission range, you can explore farther while maintaining a reliable, high-quality live video connection. The powerful GPS system also supports intelligent flight modes and return to home, ensuring safe and accurate flights. The 42-minute maximum flight time gives you more opportunities to capture breathtaking aerial footage without constantly changing batteries. It's perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, real estate photography, hunting, and professional content creation. Another impressive feature is outdoor tracking, which intelligently follows your subject to create smooth, cinematic videos while you're walking, cycling, or exploring nature. Number 3. GPS drone with EIS camera and 4.5 LCD. The GPS drone with EIS camera is designed to give both beginners and experienced pilots a smooth, reliable, and enjoyable flying experience. Packed with intelligent flight features, it's an excellent choice for capturing stunning aerial footage with ease. Equipped with a high-quality camera and electronic image stabilization, EIS, this drone records smooth, sharp videos while reducing unwanted vibrations during flight. Whether you're filming vacations, outdoor adventures, landscapes, or family moments, your footage looks clear and professional. One of its biggest highlights is the 4.5-inch LCD screen built directly into the controller, allowing you to view a live FPV feed without connecting your smartphone. The bright display makes flying more convenient and lets you focus entirely on capturing the perfect shot. Powered by an advanced GPS navigation system, the drone offers intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, AI Track, and Orbit Mode. It can automatically follow your movements, circle around a subject for cinematic footage, or maintain a steady flight path while you enjoy the moment. Safety is another major advantage. The built-in auto-return feature automatically brings the drone back when the battery is low or the signal is lost, giving you extra confidence during every flight. Weighing under 249 grams, this lightweight drone is easy to carry anywhere. Its compact design makes it perfect for traveling, hiking, camping, vacations, and outdoor photography. Powered by efficient brushless motors, the drone delivers quieter operation, stronger wind resistance, longer motor life, and smoother overall performance, making every flight stable and enjoyable. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro 4K Camera Drone. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is one of the most advanced compact drones ever created, combining professional camera performance, intelligent flight features, and an ultra-lightweight design for an exceptional flying experience. Number 1. SADX FPV Walksnail Avatar Pro Kit. Taking the number 1 spot on our list is the CADX FPV Walksnail Avatar Pro Kit, a high-performance digital FPV system built for drone enthusiasts and professional pilots who demand exceptional video quality, ultra-low latency, and reliable long-range performance. At the heart of the system is a powerful 1.8-inch Sony Starvis 2 sensor, delivering outstanding image quality with excellent detail, vibrant colors, and impressive night vision performance. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. To purchase this product, the link is given in the description. Click on it and bring this product into your use today.